Alright, let's start working on Bale. The line art for Bale. So, I don't know what the heck happened to my marker tool, but it's like screwed up. Like when I do this, it's weird. It's like my marker tool is broken. I don't know why. Like I use this thing. Oh, somehow the density got pushed down to 20. Whoa. So, some facts on Belle, in case you don't know much about Belle. Oops. That's the music I'm listening to. Belle, on the character page. Belle is about 585 years old, so Belle is older than Little P and Luther. On Earth, Belle's sun sign is a Leo. I'm thinking it would probably be different in the Whirlpool Galaxy, but I'm not sure. Yeah, okay. Belle is from the Magic Tribe, and now the Magic Tribe. Oh boy, well, since every Fairy Penguino is from their own tribe, and I mean every Fairy Penguino are cousins. They're all cousins, but they still have their own tribe, which is the tribe that they were born into. And you could think of it like, you know, like people who came from like, someone's last name was Baker or Mills. You know, they have the last name of their profession. Mills, Mill. Carpenter. What's another one? Well, yeah, so you get the point. It's kind of like that, like the Magic Tribe. Fairy Penguinos from the Magic Tribe have stronger magic naturally, so they excel in magical properties and alchemy, telepathy. They just have more mental energy for that kind of stuff. Like all the Penguinos, all the Fairy Penguinos can perform magic, but the Magic Tribe is simply efficient. They're more efficient at what they do. So some more factoids on Bale. Bale's favorite thing to do is to look for aliens. Well, I mean, right now that's what Bale's favorite thing to do is. Look for aliens for help on getting back to the Whirlpool Galaxy into the mothership. Bale hasn't had any luck so far with getting contact, but I think you'll see in episode 5 of the Fairy Penguinos that the finally complete workable P-quency machine, Belle is gonna put to the test. The P-quency machine. It's like frequency, but P-quency. And that's spelled P-Quency. Tycho will be joining. Tycho likes to dive for pearls at night, but you know, Tycho makes sure Tycho gets to bedtime. The Penguinos have like a pretty strict schedule. I mean, they don't have any curfews in Fairy Penguino Society, but as a community, they are polite and make sure that they aren't out too late, unless there's a big festivity or it has to happen. I really like the Penguino Society. Everything's like orderly, and they're a very old society, so of course they'd have everything all well organized, unlike humans. I hope humans can be like the Fairy Penguinos one day. Community driven, helpful, ethical Penguino. And like I said, do not think that the Penguinos are not smart, because they are smarter than you, and they're smarter than any human that has ever lived. Albert Einstein, Nikola Tesla, Marie Curie, they would have all loved to talk with the aliens. I mean, the Fairy Penguinos talk with the aliens. Man, maybe they did talk with aliens. Oh no, I gotta draw a circle. Oh my gosh. I will not win the circle, the perfect circle contest. Do. Whoa! Look at that. Not bad. Oh, that's right, the P-quency machine. Belle's holding the P-quency machine in this image. I better make sure to draw that. I ain't gonna draw it though, because I've already drawn it. Yeah. Gotta make sure the antennas are okay. It looks natural. I like it when they're not like superly perfectly round, I guess. Smokes, this is a good song. Okay, so Belle is almost done. So now let's put in the P-quency machine. This was done in Adobe Illustrator. I'm still listening to this song. Please support the Fairy Penguinos by subscribing to the channel. There's a little subscribe button right below the video. And your support will help the Fairy Penguinos get to the mothership. They got to leave Earth and get to the mothership. They gotta save their Fairy Penguinos. Their relatives, their family. This is Piya. Thank you for watching. Toodles.